บาดีพี่น้องมีopen box เนาะ open box order the camera from Amazon. Camera support Toyota เนาะLet's see what they have. This for Toyota camera. Wow, it's a nice box. Idea for driving. FitCamx-Dash-Camera. Nice box. 4K. Wi-Fi connection, loop recording, G-Sensor, super wide angle, perfect fits. Wow, nice box. Oh, this is about 200 something, no? $260. Two camera front and the back. Here's the menu and QR code. Okay, let's see what we have. Menu, these two and the connection. This USB adapter. USB-C, USB 2.0. This is a cable. This from the back camera. I will show when I install it. They have in the YouTube, in the camera website, they have show how to install, but I want to do myself to see how it works. This camera, this power connection, this to the rear camera, connect to the rear camera. Wow, you have power switch here, power switch on and off. This temperature, it have SD card come with it. See how big it is. Take it out. Oh, jump out already. SD card 128 gigabyte. The brand from FitCamx. It's pretty bad. Okay, that's all they have. See inside this camera, 4 screw. Nice. You have model number and FitCam. I think this for the heat. I hope it's not get hot, but inside the car sometimes it's hot anyway. Okay, that's it for open the box. That's all they have. Front camera, back camera, connection, and the tool. See the front camera, back camera, and the tool to put. Okay, thank you very much for watching.